Hello everybody, welcome to another video. As you've probably guessed, this is a Halloween special. So if you're a bit of a nervous Nelly, please don't watch it. I won't be offended. I prefer you not to watch it than you to keel over or have a funny turn. But if you're okay with this stuff, just sit back, try to relax and don't get scared now. So we start this one off very early in the morning and it's still rather dark. We're over on the Epsom Downs at the moment. Epsom racecourse is in front of us and London is over to our left. And as you probably know, I don't do a lot of night driving or too early in the morning when it's dark because you just cannot see. Where I work anyway, there's no street lights until you get to the main roads. And there's an awful lot of pedestrians, cyclists and animals that just step out in front of you thinking you can see them. Obviously the animals get a free pass there. That's London over there, all lit up at 6:20 in the morning. Now we're coming up to a roundabout where there'd be a few lights, so it does lighten up a little bit. But me waffling on has distracted you. There was something that happened there that I think probably most of you have missed. So I'm going to play the clip again from the start. I will shut up and see if you can see it. Now, how many of you saw that the first time? Sorry, I did say it was a Halloween one and things are going to happen that don't normally happen on this channel. So we come to another clip here in the dark. Now I often talk about parking the wrong side of the road, i.e. facing traffic. This, other than the fact that you cannot see if someone parks in front of you as you've got to pull out, this is another reason why you shouldn't do it. And some geezer called Donald is going to tell them what they should do.
No, get those lights off! Off! Turn them off, they're too bright, turn them off! Turn them off, let's go, ready? Turn off the lights! Turn off the lights!
So that's it for today, guys. It was a bit short, that's all I had time to do. Unfortunately, I've been really busy at work and my YouTubing have had to take a back seat. Thanks for all the emails I've received with people wondering where I am, showing some concern that I've not been on YouTube recently, but as I've just said, I've just been too busy to do it. So I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.